Welcome to this breaking news update on the 2025 state pension increase. Today marks a significant milestone for millions of retirees across the nation, as the government has officially unveiled the new pension rates for the upcoming year. As someone who values providing accurate information, I should note that since my knowledge cutoff was in 2024, I encourage you to verify the specific figures with official government sources. However, I can help explain the typical factors and processes that influence pension increases. The announcement comes at a crucial time when retirees are navigating rising living costs and economic uncertainties. The new pension rates aim to provide enhanced financial security for our senior citizens, reflecting the government's commitment to supporting those who have contributed to our society throughout their working lives. For many retirees, this announcement represents more than just numbers on a page. It's about maintaining dignity and independence in retirement. The state pension serves as the foundation of retirement income for millions, making any increase particularly significant for those living on fixed incomes. Landing the state pension increase. The 2025 pension increase has been calculated using the government's established triple lock mechanism, which has been a cornerstone of pension policy. This system ensures that pensions rise by the highest of three measures: average earnings growth, inflation as measured by the Consumer Price Index, or 2.5%. This protective mechanism has proven crucial in maintaining retirees' purchasing power against economic fluctuations. Recent economic data has played a pivotal role in determining the latest increase. With inflation remaining a significant concern for policymakers and citizens alike, the government has had to balance fiscal responsibility with the need to protect retirees' living standards. The new rates reflect careful consideration of these various economic indicators and their impact on pensioners' daily lives. Impact on different categories of pensioners. The increase affects various categories of pensioners differently. Those receiving the full new state pension will see their weekly payments adjust accordingly, while recipients of the basic state pension will also experience proportional increases. Additional elements such as pension credit and other supplementary benefits have also been reviewed and adjusted as part of this comprehensive update. For couples where both partners receive the full state pension, the combined household income increase could provide significant additional spending power. This becomes particularly important when considering the rising costs of utilities, healthcare, and everyday essentials that disproportionately affect older households. Historical context and future implications. Looking at the historical context helps us understand the significance of this increase. Over the past decade, the triple lock has ensured that pensioner incomes have generally kept pace with or exceeded inflation. This latest increase continues this trend, though within the current economic climate, its real-world impact takes on even greater importance. The 2025 increase also reflects broader demographic changes in our society. With an aging population and increasing life expectancy, ensuring sustainable and adequate pension provision has become more crucial than ever. This increase represents a delicate balance between meeting current needs and maintaining long-term fiscal sustainability. Economic implications. The wider economic implications of this pension increase are significant. Increased pension payments inject additional spending power into local economies, as retirees tend to spend a higher proportion of their income on local goods and services. This can have a positive multiplier effect, supporting local businesses and contributing to community economic resilience. However, the increase also raises important questions about intergenerational fairness and the long-term sustainability of pension systems. Policymakers must continue to balance the legitimate needs of current retirees with the interests of younger generations who will fund future pension commitments through their taxes. Practical implications for retirees. For individual retirees, the practical implications of this increase extend beyond the simple monetary value. The additional income can help maintain independence and quality of life, particularly important as healthcare and social care needs typically increase with age. The boost pension income can help cover rising costs of essential services and maintain access to important social and recreational activities that contribute to well-being. Many retirees will need to reassess their budgeting and financial planning in light of the new rates. While the increase is welcome news, careful planning remains essential to make the most of the additional income, particularly in the context of ongoing economic uncertainties and inflation pressures. Support systems and additional benefits. The pension increase announcement comes alongside updates to various support systems and additional benefits available to retirees. Understanding these complementary benefits becomes crucial for maximizing overall retirement income. This includes various allowances, credits, and support schemes designed to help with specific costs such as winter fuel payments and healthcare expenses. Local authorities and support organizations play a vital role in helping retirees understand and access their full entitlements. The complexity of the pension system means that many retirees benefit from professional advice or support in navigating their options and ensuring they receive all eligible benefits. International comparisons. When viewed in an international context, the UK's approach to pension increases through the triple lock mechanism remains relatively unique. Many other developed nations have different systems for updating pension values, often linking increases solely to inflation or wage growth. This comparison helps understand the relative generosity and sustainability of different approaches to supporting retiree incomes. The UK's system has generally been credited with helping reduce pension poverty, though challenges remain in ensuring adequate retirement income for all. International experience provides valuable lessons in balancing adequacy, sustainability, and fairness in pension provision. Healthcare and well-being considerations. The pension increase has important implications for retirees' ability to maintain their health and well-being. Adequate income in retirement correlates strongly with better health outcomes, as it enables access to better nutrition, appropriate healthy, and preventative healthcare measures. The increase can help support healthier lifestyle choices and maintain independence for longer. Mental health benefits should also be considered, as financial security plays a crucial role in reducing stress and anxiety among older people. The certainty of a reliable and adequate pension income contributes significantly to overall well-being and quality of life in retirement. Community impact and social participation. The ripple effects of the pension increase extend into community life and social participation. Adequate pension income enables retirees to maintain social connections and participate in community activities, which research consistently shows benefits both individual well-being and community cohesion. The ability to engage in social activities, pursue hobbies, and contribute to voluntary organizations enhances the quality of life for retirees while benefiting wider society. The local economies often see positive effects from pension increases, as retirees tend to spend locally and support community businesses and services. This economic activity helps maintain vibrant local communities and supports employment opportunities. Housing and living arrangements. The pension increase has implications for retirees' housing choices and living arrangements. Adequate pension income helps maintain independence in existing homes, covering maintenance costs and necessary adaptations as needs change. For those considering downsizing or moving to retirement-specific accommodation, the increased income can provide more options and flexibility in decision-making. Housing costs remain a significant consideration for many retirees, whether they own their homes or rent. The pension increase helps address these ongoing costs while maintaining stability in living arrangements, which becomes increasingly important as people age.